Hey guys, in this video we're gonna be checking out the top 5 best floor chaise lounges that are available on the market for their true quality. I made this list based in my personal opinion and hours of research and have listed them based on popularity, quality, price, durability, user opinions and more. If you want to see more information in the updated price, you can check out the description below and also make sure subscribe for more reviews. Okay, so let's get started with the video. Starting at number 5, we have the GOFLAME Adjustable Folding Floor Chair Sofa. The multiple features of this floor chaise lounge will let you make the maximum out of it. It is in an elegant design and has alloy steel frame material. Moreover, it comes with upgraded massage vibration action so that you can have a unique experience. You will also find a flexible backrest that allows you to adjust it in multiple positions. It also comes in a streamlined design and meets all your needs. This will let you have maximum comfort with the thick padding. Furthermore, this is very durable and is available in a breathable design. Additionally, it allows you to save space, and you can easily remove the cover and have easy cleaning. Moving on at number 4, we have the JAXPETY Adjustable Folding Floor Chaise Lounge. The floor chaise lounge comes in a complete set and includes 2 pillows. This is in a reclining design, and you can select from 5 positions. Furthermore, it has wide applications and comes in a lightweight design. It does not occupy much space, and you can have easy cleaning. With this, you can have maximum comfort as it is a blend of functionality and style. Moreover, it allows you to adjust it conveniently, and it is in a folding design. Additionally, this also has a high weight capacity, and the PU leather cover gives it an eye-catching appearance. At number 3, we have the Merix Floor Sofa Folding Chaise Lounges. This one comes in a modern design, and it has multiple features. The floor chaise lounge comes in a folding design, and it has high-quality construction. Furthermore, this is in a multifunctional design as you can easily transform it into a sleeping bed or sofa. Additionally, it lets you have maximum comfort, and you can have easy cleaning. You can use it conveniently and choose from 5 different levels of adjustment. This will meet all your needs and has a high weight capacity of 220 pounds. Moreover, it can be an ideal addition to your home as you can easily keep it in your bedroom, living room, dorm room, or any outdoor space. At number 2, we have the STHOUYN Folding Floor Indoor Chaise Lounges. Available in a folding design, here is a floor chaise lounge that can be suitable for different purposes. It comes in a durable design and has a lightweight construction. Moreover, it allows you to fold it from multiple angles and have custom comfort. It does not occupy much space and can fit perfectly in small spaces. Furthermore, the product also has easy maintenance and is resistant to pilling and abrasion. Additionally, it allows you to disassemble it conveniently, and it has an alloy steel frame for exceptional support. You can also adjust it in 5 different positions and use it as a folding chair or bed. And finally at number 1, we have the WAYTRIM Indoor Folding Floor Chaise Lounges. This floor chaise lounge lets you adjust it in 6 different positions and have better comfort. It comes in 2 different colors and has a steel frame for long-lasting use. In this, you will find a breathable waterproof cotton fabric removable cover that can resist pilling. Moreover, it comes with better ergonomics and makes sure there will be better support. Additionally, you will also find a detachable cushion, and it is easy to use. Furthermore, it has wide applications as you can easily use it for different activities including watching television, playing video games, and meditation. It has easy maintenance and complements any decor. Thanks you for watching guys, I hope you liked this video. If this video is helpful to you, please make sure like, comment and subscribe. If you have any question related to this product you can leave a comment down below. I will get back to you as soon as possible.